Welcome to my channel. Linksys WRT AC1900 Smart Wi-Fi Router Setup. Step 1. Remove the router and all included accessories from the box. This should include the router itself, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and any manuals. Step 2. Plug in the power adapter to the router, and then into a power outlet. Connect the provided Ethernet cable from your modem to the Internet port on the router, usually labeled in a different color, or marked as Internet or WAN. Step 3. Turn on the router by pressing the power button, if it has one. Wait for the router to power up. The LEDs will start blinking, and it may take a couple of minutes for the router to fully initialize. Step 4. On your computer or mobile device, search for available Wi-Fi networks. Connect to the default Wi-Fi network name, SID, of your Linksys router. The default SID and password can usually be found on a sticker on the bottom of the router. Step 5. Open a web browser and enter http://192.168.1.1 or http://myrouter.local in the address bar. You should be prompted to log in. The default login credentials are often username, admin, password, admin, or it may be blank. Step 6. Once logged in, you may be greeted with a setup wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your router. You will be asked to create a new router password, configure your Wi-Fi settings, and possibly set up a Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account for remote management. Step 7. Choose a new SID, network name, and a strong password for your Wi-Fi network. Select the appropriate security mode. WPA-E2 is recommended. Step 8. Check for any firmware updates through the router's web interface. Keeping the firmware up to date ensures that you have the latest features and security updates. Step 9. Save all your settings and reboot the router if necessary. Step 10. After the router has rebooted, reconnect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the SID and password you set up. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.